Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Naway lahat nagising, masaya, malakas, at puno ng pag-asa. Welcome to our 75-day challenge. Today, we are talking about how to become confident. How to say, I can do it, I am capable, and I am enough. Minsan, sinasabi natin, kaya natin to, pero meron tayong naririnig sa loob natin na hindi natin kakayanin, hindi natin kaya. Huwag ka lang manibago at huwag kang maniwala na hindi mo kaya gawin yan. Kasi yan naririnig mo, galing lang yan sa past experience mo noon pa na hindi mo pa nga kaya. Maaring mahina ka pa noon, maliit ka pa, limitado ka pa. Siyempre, iba na po tayo ngayon, bagong malakas at positibong ikaw. Kaya ulitin mo lang sa isip mo, I can do it, kaya ko to. I am capable, may kakayahan ako. I am enough, ako ay sapat. Mari makipagtalo pa yung negative self mo o your inner child na sabihin, hindi nga kaya, hindi natin kaya, I can't. But don't worry, huwag ka lang makinig. Just heal your inner child who had negative trauma in the past. Maybe you had your best, you did your best, but your best wasn't good enough. Kanta na po yun, sorry. Maybe you did your best, but no one recognized your effort. So, pinoprotektahan ka ng inner child mo or your past self mo. Ayaw na niya masaktan kayo ulit. Ayaw niya maulit muli sa subconscious mo na you're getting hurt because you are not capable and no one recognizes your effort. You're feeling failed, rejected, and you feel that you are not good enough. So, you want to be confident this time, motivated, just move forward, right? Kausapin mo lang ang lumang pagkatao or your subconscious. Bisan, tawag natin dyan, inner child. Yung dating ikaw. Sabihin mo lang, I'm okay. I'm gonna be okay. I have learned to change myself.